how to get a loan from Scotiabank. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a loan from Scotiabank. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to get a loan from Scotiabank, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the official Scotiabank website or open the Scotiabank mobile app. Step 2. Sign in to your Scotiabank account or create one if you don't already have an account. Step 3. Navigate to the loans section and select the type of loan you're interested in. Scotiabank offers various loans such as personal loans, home loans, and auto loans. Step 4. Review the loan requirements, including eligibility criteria like credit score, income proof, and other documents. Step 5. Click on Apply Now and fill out the application form with your personal details, income, and loan amount requested. Step 6. Submit the required documents like identification, proof of income, and bank statements. Step 7. Once your application is submitted, review the loan terms such as interest rates, repayment period, and any applicable fees. Step 8. Submit your application and wait for Scotiabank to review it. They might contact you for additional information if needed. Step 9. If your loan is approved, you will receive the loan amount in your Scotiabank account or the account you designated. So that's how you can get a loan from Scotiabank. That's all for this video.